In the last two lessons, we have learned about two most popular measures of central tendency, mean and median. These were applicable primarily for continuous variables and also for counting variables and certain ordinal variables. Next, we shall discuss a measure of central tendency that is primarily meant for categorical variables and counting variables, though sometimes also used for continuous variables. Let's start with an example. Suppose that there are dresses of 3 different colors and 100 different people. Among them 40 love red, 35 love blue, and the remaining 25 love purple. Now, due to some constraint, you have to order dresses of the same color for all the 100 people. Then which color would you order? Now, if you order red, then these 40 will be happy, but the remaining 60 will be unhappy because they have to wear a color they do not love. If you order blue instead, then only these 35 will be happy and the rest will be unhappy. If purple is ordered, then the number of happy persons will be even smaller, just these 25. So you should order red for everybody. Now notice how the categorical nature of the variable, that is color of the dress, played a role here. One either gets one's favorite color or not. Either of the other two colors is equally bad. In such a case, the best representative value is the one which occurs the maximum number of times. This value is called the mode. Thus, here red is the mode. This is basically how one makes a selection by majority vote. Of course, you may run into the problem of ties. There may be two candidates both attaining the same maximum frequency. Such a data set is called multimodal as opposed to unimodal, which means having a unique mode. In our example, we had a unimodal data set. Had the numbers been like this, then both red and blue would be modes because both of them have the maximum frequency 40. This will mean a multimodal data set. In a multimodal situation, mode is not very useful as a measure of central tendency. Indeed, being multimodal may even imply lack of central tendency.